this is Leonie. Welcome to another video on FAQ Homeschooling in Cebu, Philippines series. I was asked what was my homeschool routine for preschool, but this time it was different because the school got closed, and this is how I did it. Let's take a look. So this is the Eclectic Montessori routine. So what is eclectic and what is Montessori? What is eclectic method? The term eclectic approach refers to a teaching approach that is not based on a single method but that draws on several different method principles that are made use of in practice. It is a problem-based approach to teaching that is based on the following principles. What do my learners encounter in mastering particular problem, and what procedures can I make use of from available methods and approaches that could be used to address this problem? So this is what it is. I have a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old. So from my evaluation, my 7-year-old, what does my learner encounter? So her reading level is 3rd to 4th grade. However, the writing level is 1st grade. So that is under modeled writing pa na siya kay 1st grade pa man. So basis of instruction would be how to balance the gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to improve my writing activities, that is the stages in writing for children. So her modeled activity is the current one, right? So I'm going to improve it from model to shared, then guided, then introduce independent writing. That's gonna be our focus activity on summer. So my 4-year-old, what does my learner encounter? My 4-year-old has a challenge on attention span and self-regulation. So the basis of instruction would be how to increase attention span and manage self-regulation. What am I going to do? So I will do revise or revisit engaging activities and refer again with the guidelines of conscious discipline practices and the book on helping your anxious child. This book is actually recommended by the University of Virginia Child Developmental Clinic Hospital. So, what is a Montessori method? The Montessori method is a prepared educational environment where children can live and work in freedom and peace, develop an environment of child-sized everything, and rich learning materials that answer the needs of the child's emerging developmental impulsive. So for this reason, since Montessori is a prepared educational environment, that's the reason why we have a yellow bus for when we are still homeschooling Louise. So how to meet our goal using a typical Montessori routine? Practical life area. Our practical life area is our kitchen chores, our garden, or in the woods or shop. So that is practical life. Kinanglan ang atong mga anak atong tudluan kung unsay angay trabahoon sa balay, no? And core subject is prepared in our yellow bus recently at home because I really do not expect that I am going to use the yellow bus, but because the school got closed and I already have 2 learners, so it was unprecedented. So we did it at home, and because William is not using the yellow bus because of his anxiety, so muna siya. But we are actually improving our yellow bus, so check that one out in the future. I will be posting videos on the difference between our yellow bus before, when we have Louise as our preschool only, and now that we are using it for 2 learners for you in the future. So we have language area. Our language area is adapted practices from infant toddler connections, speech therapy, that is for William, and for Louise we do communication skills and theme books. Also with the cultural area, we do theme books, globes, and puzzles. And also conflict resolution. That is one reason why I like Montessori, because they also emphasize conflict resolution. However, the conflict resolution practices that I adopted is from conscious discipline. And also, this is our daily eclectic Montessori schedule. We do have it in the living room for the time being. Our core subject is 2 to 3 hours, 4 to 5 days a week. Because eclectic is also a relaxed form of routine. We can do it in the morning or in the afternoon. Life skills is everyday daily chores assignment depending on the age. Science and discovery, nature's walk every other day, or plant trip. But because of corona, we cannot have plant trips. So we are so blessed that we have quite big wooded area to walk around and to discover nature. Our sensorial and cultural is supposed to be at the yellow bus, but for the time being we do it in our house. Hopefully we can transfer that too in our yellow bus. And music garden, we did our music garden, and our last class was last week, oh no, last month, 2 weeks ago. And also with the piano lesson, we will be doing this again on the fall, and it was such a great help, especially during the school closure. At least they have something to do with other with the teacher. Okay, and then we also have language and conflict resolution area. This is actually daily. It's supposed to be going to be transferred in the yellow bus in the future, and for the time being it is at home. And we have arts and gardening every other day. So that's it, my friends, ang ako ang daily eclectic Montessori schedule. So if you find this video helpful, please like and share so that YouTube will recommend this video to those who are looking for a topic like this. And if you wanted to know more about the social-emotional approach of homeschooling, tips of study coaching, and parent-teacher collaboration for the success of our children, please click subscribe, hit that bell, and choose all to receive updates. Once again, this is Leonie of Gardens of Blessings TV saying, when you find peace, happiness begins. Then blessings start to win one's heart. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and be blessed.